Hey all, this is Samudita from Adya's Kitchenettes. Welcome back to my channel. So today for a change I have made with minimal ingredients one pot meal or coconut milk rice, which has very minimal ingredients. So let's get started. So the ingredients are fresh thick coconut milk 1 cup, rice washed and drained 2 cups, tender coconut water or regular water 3 cups, cashew 10 pieces, green chili according to your spice level, onion, and then 1 cinnamon stick, small one. In a bowl I have taken 2 cups of rice, washed, drained, and I will keep it aside. So now you can see all the ingredients here. Cut the onion into small pieces and then just slit the green chili in the center, and then make small chunks of the coconut so that it will be easy to extract the fresh coconut milk from the coconut. So now take all the chunks of coconut and add it to the blender along with water. And now this is how the pulp will be, from which you will be extracting the fresh coconut milk. Since it is thick, I have taken only 1 cup of milk. Now in a cooker I will add teaspoon of ghee. Once the ghee gets melted, since I want my rice to be dominant with the coconut flavor, I have added very small piece of cinnamon stick, cashew, green chili, and onion, and now I will saute them. Now once my onion is cooked properly, I'll be adding the washed and drained rice. And now I will saute it a little. To this I will be adding 1 cup of thick coconut milk. And rest measurement of 3 cups of coconut water or tender coconut water. Even you can use normal water as well. Just to enhance the taste, I have used coconut water. Now add some salt according to the taste and cook it for 1 whistle. So our rich and royal coconut rice full of aroma is ready to serve with choice of. Thanks to all viewers. Please do like, share and subscribe Adya's Kitchenettes. Tia.